On this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the expiration date on the Peak BlueDEF. So right here, I have the two types they sell. They sell it in the 2.5 gallon and they sell it on a 1 gallon. So in order to get the expiration date, you have to be looking for the manufacture date. So the manufacture date, they usually put them in the back. Is this one right here? That's the manufacture date. I'll show you guys how to read it right now. I seen them put them in the front. It could be anywhere. You just look for that code. And on the 2 gallon box, it could be anywhere too. You just have to look for it. In this case, they put it right here in the back. This is where it usually is at, but it could be in the front. So right here I put what this code actually represents. So the first 2 letters is a manufacturer plant, and then the next 2 digits, it's a 20 equals a year, and then the next 3 digits is a 083, and that equals the date and the month, and then the next 4 digits represent the batch number. But all you have to look for is the year and the date. That's all we're looking for. And in order to get that, we're going to be looking at a Julian calendar, and I'll show you guys right now how to look for it. So here we have the manufacture date from the 2 gallon box, and on the bottom we have the Julian calendar. So now I'm going to break down the year, month, and date of when it was made. So for the year we have a 20, and you have to subtract 1. So 20 minus 1 equals 19. So the year that it was made, it was on 2019. So now that we have the year, we're going to move to the day and month. So for the day and month, we have a 083. So all you have to do is 365 minus 083 equals 282. So now the 282, you have to look for it on the Julian calendar. So on the Julian calendar, if you look for the 282, it will give you the day and the month. So they made this on day 9th, month October. So this DEF box was made in October 9th, 2019. So now that we got the manufacture date, we can now look at a shelf life chart. We got one right here. As you can see, the life could be from 36 months down to 6 months, depending on the temperature they stored it at. So if they stored it at a 50-degree temperature, it could last 36 months. And as you can see, it goes down to 95 degrees, and that would be only 6 months. So just to be on the safe side, I would not buy a DEF box if it's older than 1 year, because as we know, if we put expired DEF on our vehicles, it will cause us some problems, and it gets very expensive. So that's basically how you check a DEF life. That's how you get the expiration date.